Alright, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds and the beautiful area of Kaiheri. We've got an awesome one for us today. We've got this massive boat shed that I built for the neighbour James. Why don't we go inside, have a look at this awesome shed and the boat that's in it. Alright guys, so we built this shed a couple of years ago, 2021. Shout out John Sorden, Calibre Roofing, and Mark Davis. They built this shed for James. We got them in. John is a legend in the roofing game. John is a legend altogether. He was my Taekwondo instructor, one of the greatest all-time high jump kickers. Shout out John, you've built an awesome shed. You're a great guy, love you. All right, Mark, we love you too, but we see you in lots of videos. So, that was a big Waikato Doors specialist store there. Chain driven, so it's nice and easy to roll up. Bird brush in there to stop the birds. James was like, I don't want any birds getting in here. This thing's for slaying fish, not for bird watching. So that's awesome. New Zealand steel, strength by design. You can see some tidy little knee braces. Big, thick, solid girts. It's very windy up here on the hill in Kaiheri, so we had to make sure we put a lot of steel into the concrete slab that A1 Bobcats did for us. They actually did all of the concrete out here as well for James. So it's pretty impressive, even all the way out to a little path to his washing line. So cheers, Sean and the crew, you guys have done a great job. On the outside of this shed, we've matched it to the old versatile timber garage next door. So nice titanium cladding on the outside. And then we've got a Karaka green as well for all of the cladding. So that looks really sharp. Now, one of the tricks to doing it is when you're getting a boat shed is to make sure you build it big enough for the boat. You'll be surprised, we've heard plenty of stories and had to go back as people have undersized their shed. They're like, hey, my boat's 10 meters long, I need a 10-meter shed. Well, no, actually, you got to figure out what's the trailer and how far is that motor extending past the boat. So we worked that out with James and we came up with this shed, 9 meters long, 5 meters wide, so 45 square meters. It's about as tall as it is wide, so, you know, it's a cool shed. We used thermocraft paper in the roof. Connect hooked us up like always. Cheers Brendan for all the fastenings. And that New Zealand steel, super strong. Look at it, rock solid, and obviously colour steel cladding because it's the best. Now one of the things, and this is going out to you James, he's always like, Jace, I'm going to take you out fishing. I'm going to go and slay some snapper on the Hauraki Gulf. But hey, where's my fishing trip? So, you know, he's let me into the shed. There's no one else around. I think I might just take this bad boy for a little bit of a cruise and finish up early this weekend. So I'm off fishing. You guys enjoy the next video and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.